Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily navigate among many differently open tabs using the tab scroll feature. So, first let's understand the problem. I'll just open my Google Chrome, and here you can see that I have a lot of different open tab Chromes. Now, in these Chrome tabs, it is actually very difficult for me to navigate them. And as you know that as I keep on adding these tabs, their size will keep on getting smaller and it would be very difficult for me to identify which tab is which one, like this. So if you don't want these tabs to get shrinked and remain at the same size, and then you need to follow these settings. First, let's enable the Chrome flag for this particular feature. If you don't know how to access the Chrome flags, here's how to do it. Go to your search bar and type Chrome followed by this particular address. Once you type this particular address, simply hit the enter key and you can see the Chrome flags. Now you need to search for tab scrolling. Now as you can see that these settings will help us manage all of our Google Chrome's tabs navigation. First we will do is that we will enable this tab scrolling, and here you can see that there are different options. The best option in my personal opinion is enable and tabs don't shrink. Once you select it, it will ask you to relaunch the Google Chrome. Simply hit the relaunch button. And now you can notice the difference. All the tabs are open and yet it is so neat and clean. To navigate to other open tabs, you can use these arrows right here. The left one for the left tabs and the right one for the other tabs. You can navigate by using these buttons right here. If you want to add another tab, you can simply click on this plus button and it will add another tab. To navigate back, you can use these buttons like here. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.